AI is going to replace software developers, software testers, business analysts, customer report team, customer support, even managers. So should we all be worried? Everyone you look, someone is saying AI will replace your job. AI will replace the whole team. And a person with AI can do the work of 10 people. Is that all true? Here is the reality. AI isn't simply replacing the jobs. It replaces the parts of jobs. A developer can use AI to generate the code. A tester can use AI to generate the test cases. A business analyst can use AI to create the workflows and to create the requirements or enhance them. Similarly, a manager can use them to get the summaries as well as the reports. But here is the uncomfortable part. Companies don't necessarily say, "Great, now everyone can work less." They often say, "Great, is there anything else that we accomplish with the same team?" So AI can mean higher productivity, but also higher expectations. And the biggest change may not be AI replaces the humans. So it could be AI skilled people can replace people who don't adapt. Because two people doing the same job may soon have different productivity levels. But don't ask, "Will AI take away my job?" Instead, ask this: which parts of my job can AI do? What valuable skills will still need me? It may be human plus AI versus human without AI. Follow me for more.